Guys, we're out here on the Colorado River fishing with the main man, Bryce. I know, hopefully we're going to stack them up today. Fishing should be pretty good, maybe pre-spawn, spawn, so we'll see how it is. Guys, as you can tell, it is going to be very packed today. There's that bass boat, my buddy Bryce up there, and then there was already another bass boat, and we're all going into the same backwater. So we'll see how it is. It's gonna be tough, gonna be pressured. Look at this.
Oh yeah, it ain't that bad. Last time it was real bad.
First go slow just in case someone stopped.
Look at this chocolate milk.
Chocolatey.
Okeechobee.
Sounds like you stopped.
That's like the Okeechobee, right?
Yeah, he's already in.
The guy who's won Arizona State Championship, right?
My trolling motor's so dead. And there's so much current, this is on fire.
Yeah, they're shooting it back.
Alright, we're about here. Coming in the pond. There she is. There he is. Feels like a good one. Feels like a really big one. Feels like a big one. Big one. Big one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. It's a real good one, like a 3-pounder. Yes! Let's go! Look at that fatty. Yes. Popped right out. That's the way you want to start a morning. Right there. See that fish in the light? Nice one. That's a good way to start it. We put him in the box. Nice. See, that fish is in the box. Reviving. He's looking good. Let's get back to fishing. So that last fish I caught was on that little fat Ica. He hit it pretty good. Felt him hit it, and then my line just went swimming to the side. Just kind of fishing like a Cinco. Oh, that's another fish. Stay down. Gotta keep up with him. Oh, another good one. Good fish. Oh, he is hot. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yes. Another nice fish. This one's not as fat. It's still a good one. Another one on the eye. Same thing. Just swimming away with it. Another nice one. That one's probably only 2.5, but still a nice fish. Put them in the box. Keep going. Okay, so one thing I noticed is you can see I fished from all those trees out there all the way around, and I haven't gotten bit until the pocket. This little pocket, so maybe they're in this shallower water. Well, that's a good way to start the morning. Let's keep going. For both those fish are kind of by tree root stumps, and they're both hot after I hooked them. So I wonder if these fish are spawning. When the sun gets up higher, we'll have to go look. Guys, we're going to switch it up. We're going to pick up a jerk bait since right here kind of turns into like a little straightaway. Not really a cove. So, and it drops off a little bit, gets a little deeper. So see if you can get some of those pre-spawn fish. Pre-spawn fish sitting out a little bit deeper, because it does come up into some shallow water. So we'll see. You know, jerkbait is a very good springtime lure, because those fish, they're still cold and they're looking to come up and spawn and feed up before they actually go up and start doing their thing. Just the slower presentation just gives them a good slower moving meal that they need to eat before they go up and spawn. So jerkbait's a good one to throw this time of year. Might be another bed right there. So hard to see with the lighting. Open, 100% a bed right there. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna sit back a ways. And see if anything comes back. Because I did just see a nice one. I've got a feeling that was a bed. Oh, that fish is back. So the fish right now is on the bed. He just pecked at it. Oh, he just turned on it. Because his bedfish is hot. Should be able to catch him soon. Oh, he's got it. Got him. Got him. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. Yes. That's a nice 3-pound slab right there. First spawner of the year. Nice 3-pounder right there. Let's take it. Take a quick picture. Let's let that fish go right back on his bed.